Hey, what's up, car lovers? Welcome back to D+ Autos, the channel where we bring you real talk and expert advice about cars, diagnostics, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the top 10 most common car buying mistakes, the stuff I see every week that costs people money, peace of mind, and even their safety. Let's save you from that mess, let's go. 1. Skipping a test drive. You'd be shocked how many people buy a car without even test driving it. Look, photos can lie. A test drive reveals weird sounds, rough gear shifts, or poor brakes. Never trust looks alone, feel the car before you commit. 2. Not checking the paperwork. Big mistake number 2, not verifying documents. Check the VIN number, title, registration papers, custom duty receipts, and any service history. If the seller hesitates, that's a red flag. Don't ignore it. 3. Buying a flood-damaged car. Especially in Nigeria or imported units, flood-damaged cars are everywhere. Check under carpets for dampness, smell for mildew, and look for rust in unusual places like seat rails. If it smells weird, it probably is. 4. Focusing only on the price. A cheap car isn't always a good deal. You might save now but spend double on repairs later. Always balance the price with the car's condition, mileage, and long-term reliability. 5. Not inspecting the engine and transmission. Don't just pop the hood for show, actually inspect it or call your mechanic. Look for leaks, oil condition, signs of overheating. Check how it shifts during a test drive. Transmission problems. That's a financial death trap. 6. Relying on WhatsApp pictures alone. If all you've seen are WhatsApp images, you haven't seen the car. Scammers thrive on distance. See the car in person. And if you can't, send someone you trust to inspect it physically. 7. Skipping a professional inspection. A 30-minute inspection by a professional can save you 300,000 Naira plus in repairs. Engine diagnostics, suspension checks, brake inspections, get them done. It's worth every Naira. 8. Ignoring the car's history. Has the car been in an accident? Is it salvaged? Any insurance claims? Use VIN checks or car history services if possible. You want a car with a clean background, not one hiding damage beneath a fresh paint job. 9. Buying without considering fuel type or economy. Some people buy powerful V8s without realizing how much fuel it gulps. Make sure you're buying a car you can afford to run, asterisk, not just afford to buy. Especially in today's fuel economy. 10. Rushing the process. The biggest mistake. Rushing because the seller says others are coming to buy it. Take your time. Do your due diligence. If it's meant for you, it won't pass you by. Don't let pressure make you careless. There you go, fams, 10 car buying mistakes to avoid like the plague. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to D+ Autos, and drop a comment if you've ever fallen for any of these traps or dodged one like a boss. And hey, check out our full playlist on how to buy used cars like a pro. More powerful car content is coming every week, so don't miss out. This is D+ Autos, keep riding smart.